What's up, guys? I just got this TV stand in here. This is what did I pay for this? I paid $50 for this. This is for 37 inch to a 65 inch. This is a 65 inch TV, and the thing is, the original legs here, it doesn't fit on my TV entertainment center. It's like 1 inch off, so I had to get this so I can put something in the middle. Again, this is a 65 inch Sony TV. So just really quickly out of the box, I mean, there's a lot of things I gotta put together here. You can see all that in there. So I just took everything out of the box. You can see all the components here. Lots of screws, lots of bolts, washers. Okay, so I finally got it on here. It probably took me like maybe 40 minutes to put this together by myself. And this is the lowest that the stand's going to go. Okay, I can go ahead and raise the TV up higher. I can go ahead and move these bolts like up here to move that higher, and I can also move this one down here as well. But this is the lowest that this TV is going to go, from the base to the bottom of the TV, and that's perfect, exactly where I want it. And I'm left with tons of extra bolts and screws here that I didn't even need. Okay, so it's up. You can see the base right there. The only thing is I forgot to take the legs off. I mean, these legs won't fit on here, but you can see there, and I'll show you a quick view. You can see the back here. But yeah, it's pretty sturdy, nice and sturdy. It's perfect. I'm just glad it fit the 65 inch TV. I'm happy. Got to mention, but we got like a swivel here as well. Pretty cool, huh? Like, really quickly, I had to make adjustments here. Like, this Sony wasn't in the middle here, it was like on the side, so I had to slide that down. Anyway, I was wondering why one leg was kind of closer and the other one was further out, but now it's perfect. We're in business.